You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and it's time for a new toy in our toy series. It's a remote control big builder cat skid steer loader, and I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't done one of these in quite a long time. And there was a try me button, but the batteries are not that great, so I got to take this out of the box in a second here and then put new batteries in it. But there's a dump truck, bulldozers, other cool tools here for construction. And let me see, that's about it. I think it's time I just motorize, motion, things move, it makes noise, and I can't wait to test it out. So I'm going to do that next, get it out of the box, and we'll give it a test. All right, here we go. I am all set. Now, it took 3 AA batteries, which are in the controller, and that's what gives the power to the vehicle. And of course, this line is what's controlling it, so you have to, it's always connected, so you can only go so far away from it. So let me try each button so we can see what that does. The far right button. So that's my horn. The middle button. So the speakers are on the controller. Let's see how long that plays, really. See if it stops eventually. Okay, and then the far left button. That's what I started with. Ooh, now my truck is running, so now I can... Wait, don't stop, Bernie. Now I can honk. Start my music and drive forward. Ooh. Ah. So, let's just try that again now. Watch what happens. You can go... Wait, sorry. Turn that music off. So when I drive forward... Okay, great. When I drive in reverse, it appears that it automatically turns for you. So it doesn't go straight back. One tread works and the other tread does not. So it'll always make that reverse for you. Because there's really no steering. Like, I can't control left and right. I can only go forward and then a turning back. It's like a built-in 3-point turn. Okay, let me lift the bucket here. Alright, so that would be this one here. So this lifts. How much power do you think it has? Not a lot. Keeps getting caught up on that wire here. Hold on. There we go. Let me get some sand in here. I happen to have a bag of regular sand nearby. Let me bring that out. Alright, so let me just dump that on my tabletop. Gonna have some cleaning up to do. Now, it looks like I don't have any bucket control where I can tilt the bucket. I don't see any mechanics there, so there's no mechanics to make that action happen on this because it's all locked in. So, looks like I can just go forward and then pick up. Okay, so it has a hard time with that. So it's not going to pick up much. Let's see. So we'll pick up a little bit of sand. Try that again. We'll push it though, see that? Yeah, it doesn't like going in the sand. Come on, buddy. Let's just see if it can drive over. So it does go through. Let me see if I can go over this big pile here. It's working its way through the big pile. Probably not going to like that. Hope the gears are sealed on it. Ooh, it's starting to sound a little gritty, but it looks pretty sealed, so should be okay. It doesn't like the traction going in reverse on the sand. Alright, let me see. Now, of course, this is one for ages 3+. We've had some in here before. I'm not sure if we ever made a video. Actually, I've had some that are definitely much larger and made to do a lot more things. But for a 3-year-old, I'm sure they'll be happy with that. Just to be able to drive and make tracks in the sand. That looks cool, huh? All right, what do you think? Who's in the remote control vehicles at different levels? This would be a beginner level. See a cat? You know, leave it in the comments. I think I really like them. There you go. Come on. Almost out. You could do it. You made it! Well, leave that in the comments like I was saying. And we do have other RC cars in the channel, so maybe you can check some videos out there. We'll have a playlist. Or as always, I can't wait to clean this up, just search our channel. Thanks for watching. Later! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.
thanks for watching.